How to fix users must enter a username and password to use this computer option missing in Windows. The only way to return the users must enter a username and password to use this computer option is by modifying the Windows registry. It is worth noting that incorrect changes might result in Windows usability and more serious issues, so make sure you back up the registry before proceeding. On the right, double-click the device PasswordLess build version value. Set the value to 0 and click OK. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, for users with Windows Pro or Enterprise, the Local Group Policy Editor is a potent tool. This method helps in defining policies for how the system behaves.